This model kit review is of the Willys Jeep. This is the quarter-ton 4x4 Jeep from World War II, and it is a 1/35th scale model by Tamiya, and it's a very nice box art here. There's the different views and some of the accessories, and it doesn't really give us any of the dimensions. Let's have a look inside and see what we have. First of all, here is the main body of the Jeep. The thing with these staples, you've got to watch out you don't put them on your finger. Done that many times. So here's the chassis. It shows you here when this was made. 1997 is when this mold was made. There's that front. Look at that, beautifully molded. It is so crisp and clean. Next sprues here, I see some wheels, and obviously you got the spare wheel. Here's the other side. For the inside there, got some jerry cans or gas cans. There's an axe, a steering wheel, lots of little details, shovel. Here's our figure, molded in different parts. We've got our suspension and axles, beautifully molded there. The leaf springs there. Just a tremendous amount of detail there. There's the weapons. Okay, here's the hood and our dashboard there, our exhaust, seats. Here's our front windshield. Looks like another part of a seat there. Little satchel there. There's the radiator with the lights. We've got our fan. There's the chassis here with our gearbox. Just beautifully molded. Okay, we've got some glass here for the front and our headlights. That is perfect, so flat and clear. We've got some decals here. Let's see if we can get this out here. Not too many decals here, I guess just different numbers, the different versions you can make. And let's have a look at our instructions. There's some details here about the Jeep. So here are the colors needed. Start to build the engine and put it on the chassis. And there are the drive shafts and axles. Here is the suspension, the steering shaft, all the different internals there with our radiator, firewall, seats and so on. Here's the rest of the seats there. Mounting the seats and dashboard on there. And mounting that onto the body. And then wheels together. Then I put some of the accessories on there, including additional parts in the engine bay. And then there's the windshield. Here's our figure. along the back here, we're going to put the tools and bumper as well as the hood. And I guess you can have different parts there if you want to have a tow bar. Okay, there's our machine gun and additional weapons there. So it tells you about the colors here. Now different color schemes here, different options on how to build it. You've got A, B, and C there. Here's D and E. And they're pretty much all in olive drab. But that all looks like a good quality kit. Probably a good one for someone to start with. And very good quality.